if we are so fundamentally limited as you claim we are, how can we have any confidence in the evidences providing the fact that we are limited?
A pure skeptic, you can give no answers to, which means that they're not asking sensible questions. We're only interested in sensible questions, the kind to which you can even imagine an answer, maybe a wrong answer. But if you can't even imagine an answer, it may have the form of a question, but it's not a question. Like, for example, if you were to ask, why do things happen? Okay, that happens to have the structure of an interrogative sentence, but it has no answers, no even imaginable answers. So therefore, it's not a question, just has the structure of an interrogative. The pure skeptic, if one can be imagined, is posing things that look like questions but aren't really. As to how you can have confidence, well, first of all, you never have complete confidence if it's an empirical issue. In fact, you know, even arithmetic, you can't have complete I mean, it's known. You know, you can have non-standard models of arithmetic which satisfy the axioms but are different and so on. So, but in empirical questions, you develop confidence from experience, intuition, experiment, and so on. What's called the scientific method, but that's a funny term, because there really is nothing that's the scientific method. Like when you take, say, a psychology course, a program, you do take a course in methodology. But when you study physics, you don't take a course in methodology. There's no method other than being reasonable, you know. And learning from what has been done and seeing if you can carry it forward and so on. In fact, the courses in methodology that you take, say, in psychology or sociology are mostly courses in statistics and techniques you can use. But scientific method is, you know, just whatever way we have of dealing with the world rationally, reasonably. Can we have confidence in it? No, maybe it's misleading us, just as rats are consistently being misled about mazes. We can understand it for them. But if that's true, all we can do is try to see if we can use the same rational approaches to see if we can figure out what the limits of our intellectual capacities are. And we have some examples in which I think can have fair confidence, like the collapse of the intuitively obvious fact that interaction requires contact.